welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to sit down and film some type of winter holiday look. I have no clue what I'm doing yet. I'm kind of just going to roll with it and see where we end up. So it could be a train wreck, it could end up really good, who knows. But if you guys want to stay along with the ride, then just keep on watching. So going in with my Morphe palette from James Charles, I'm just going to start buffing some transition colors into the crease. Probably going to start with this shade right here and then work our way into the browns. So doing what I always do, I just take that first transition shade, blend that all the way over the crease and then up towards the brow bone, making it the highest color that we pack on. Just packing that on until we get the deepest shade that we want, and then I'm going to move on to the oranges and the brown shades. So already I can tell that these shades from this palette are blending out so much easier than the vivid colors. So that's why I wanted to give this palette another try. So far, I'm liking these shades. Like, that blended out so seamlessly, which, thank the Lord, because I had super high hopes for this palette. I'm going to take this brush from Luxie. It's a 121. It's a mini tapered brush. And I'm going to start packing on like that deeper brown shade right into the crease. So what I just did, I just took that brown shade and kind of created like the cut crease line, and now I'm just going to blend everything above that brown line because we're going to cut the crease. So we don't have to worry about anything below that. Taking a even smaller brush, it is the 141 mini round, and I'm going to take that black shade and really start working that on that cut crease line. Right now I look literally insane, but you just want to keep blending. Okay, now we're going to cut the crease using just our normal concealer, and this is where it gets fun. Setting that down with this like cream color base right here. So now that we just cut the crease, I'm going back in with that brush we used to pack on that black. And I'm using really, really, really small motions and just blending that right where we just cut the crease, just so the black looks seamless up into our warmer shades. So there's that eye compared to this eye. It looks a little crazy because we're going to add some liner, but I'll be right back after I finish this eye. Okay, both of the cut creases are done. Now it's time for the scary part. I don't know why I'm attempting to do this because I could totally mess this all up, but I'm going to take this liquid liner liquid lipstick that we're going to be wearing today, and we're going to make our liner from our lipstick, which could turn out a disaster, but I guess we're just going to find out. Who knows? Taking on a MAC 209 brush. Here we go. Just going to line I'm not sure if I like that, to be honest with you. I don't know. And it's pretty cool, but I guess I'm just used to like a black liquid liner. I'm just trying to do something different, okay? Who knows if it was a smart move or not. I'm using KOKO lashes and I'm using style Queen Bee. Okay, lashes are on. We're going to go in and bronze up the skin using MAC Give Me Sun. Like always, it's my favorite go-to bronzer. Taking Anastasia Beverly Hills Saddle. This is what we're going to use to contour today. Okay, to smoke out the lower lash line, I'm going to take this pencil brush and some of that black shade that we picked up and work that on the very underneath. Since we already have a lot going on, I don't want to do too smoky, but I'm just going to mimic what we did on the top. And then taking our big fluffy brush and just blending that all out. To highlight, we're going to take this big shade right here and put that on our brow bone. And on the very inner corners. I'm actually going to take some of that to highlight our face. I don't know if that was a good idea or not, but we're going with it. Yeah, no, that was not a good idea. That was like really chunky. So, now I gotta fix that. Taking our Carli Bybel palette, I'm gonna fix that highlight just by adding this gold shade right on top. For lips, I'm going in with that liquid lip that we used for our liner, and it's Voyager by Maybelline Superstay. Okay, you guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. I had fun creating it. I had no idea where it was going to turn out. I had never done a liquid lip as a liner before, and I kind of like the way it looks. It looks very monochromatic. If that is too scary for you, you could definitely just switch that out with a normal liquid liner, but do whatever you feel comfortable with. I just wanted to give you guys something different for today's video. I think this is a perfect holiday look. I know it's a little bit too much going on with the eyes, so you can always downplay the lip. Whatever works best for you. But I hope you guys like this video. Please give it a big thumbs up. And please subscribe if you haven't already. See ya.